Good Monday morning. Today I'm going to go over our weekly packet. Now this is a week ahead because some people have already finished their work. So I am a week ahead on our packets. If you have not done this packet yet or finished your other one, finish that and then start this packet. So let's get started on our review. Okay, so this is May 18th through 22nd. So this is a week ahead. Some people have already finished, but that's okay. Just start wherever you're at. So you know how to do this. This is just coloring the sight words. This part is reading. Reading the story to practice your reading. Okay, this is nouns. Person, place, thing, or animal. So you're going to go through. So we have student, bat, pencil, mall, like Westminster Mall, bear, church, fireman, money, gum, teacher, bedroom, puppy, rabbit, school, candy, and brother. So you're going to cut these out and paste them in where they part of a noun they are. Okay, our next part, you're going to be putting words together. So you're going to use these words here in this box to finish the sentences. So you're going to read the sentences and pick the word that goes in the box. Okay, our next section is the beginning sounds of words. So we have a ship. So you're going to circle sh, and then you're going to write it. Sh. Okay, ship. Chop, shell, chin. This man is thin. Looks like he was on a diet, so now he's thin. Shop. This tooth has a chip. Chip their tooth. And a shed. That's where you put your garden tools when you're working outside in your garden, in the shed. Okay, the next page. Okay, these are all long O, saying O. So you're going to read the sentences and then match the pictures that go in the sentences. So we have, this is O. My bow is red. So this says O, long O. A plant can grow, O. Dad mows the grass. The wind will blow. The bug will glow. Okay, so they all say O. O-W saying O at the end of a word. This page is contractions. So you're going to find their contractions. And it says color the butterflies that are matching the flowers. So if I was doing this, I would pick one color. And I have were not. Remember, this part of the word were does not change. So I go down here and, oh, there's were right there. So these two have to match. So I would color this butterfly green or yellow-green. And this flower yellow-green. They go together. Then I pick a different color for the next contraction. Okay, same, they go together so they have the same color. Again, we're reading sentences and matching the words. So you have to pick from these words up here to go in the sentence. So you read the sentence, I like to blank cookies with my family. What would make sense? Bake, eats, cake, made, pie, or cream. So you have to pick the word. This is a verb. This one is a verb, something you can do. Down here, this one is a noun, a person, place, or thing. This one is a verb, something you can do. We have a noun, and a verb. You only use the word once. Okay, we're going to be counting money. The best way to count money is to write on the coin. So this is a nickel. This is Thomas Jefferson, and that is a nickel. A nickel is 5 cents. So I'm going to write a 5 on here. A penny, that's Abraham Lincoln. A penny is 1 cent. So I'm going to write 1 all the way across. Okay, so now I'm going to start with 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I only need 8 cents. So which coins do I need? 5, 6, 7, 8. I only need these coins. Okay? So you go through and write on the coins, and that will help you. These are all nickels. Thomas Jefferson. Abraham Lincoln is a penny. Nickel is 5. Penny is 1. Okay, we're still counting money. Same thing. A nickel is 5 cents. A penny is 1 and 1. So 5, 6, 7. I come down here. I find the 7. I'm going to cut the star out and glue it up here to match. Okay, so they're all nickels and pennies. A nickel is 5. A penny is 1. Okay, 2 vowels walking. So we have OA says O. 2 vowels walking. The first one does the talking. Or we have OW at the end of a word says O. This is all long O when O says his name. So we have bow, goat, soap, coat, road, row, toad, grow, and blow. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, so I need to look at the picture and find the word that matches and put it in. You only use it one time. Again, long O. 2 vowels walking. The first one does the talking. So this one says O and the A is silent. Soap. 2 vowels walking, 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 2 vowels walking. These all say long O. O. Read the word and find the picture to match. Okay, so this one has sentences and not a sentence. Okay, so you're going to read them and see. If it's a sentence, it goes over here. If it's not a sentence, it's not a sentence, you're going to put it over here. I like cats. That's a sentence. Starts with a capital and a period. That's a sentence. Red apples. There's no capital and there's no period, so that is not a sentence. So you're going to look through. Sentences start with a capital and end with a period is what you're going to be looking for. Telling time. Okay, so this is all to the hour. So they're all 0, 0. So the big hand is going up on all of them. If you like to draw the big hand going straight up on them, you can. Okay, so now if I look and put my pencil down, the small hand, the hour hand, is pointing at the 4. So that means it's 4 o'clock. So I'm going to find 4 o'clock here, and I'm going to paste it over here. 4 o'clock. So you're going to match the times. Okay, adding 3 numbers. So first I add the top 2. You can write it to the side here. 2 plus 3, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a 5 right here. Add it to the 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you write the 9 right here. Okay, you can go through and circle the first two numbers on all of it if you want. You're going to add the first two, then add in the bottom one. Adding 3 numbers. Okay, this one has addition and subtraction, so you're going to need to be careful. When I subtract, I put the bottom number in my head and count to the top. So I say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 goes down here. Okay? When it's subtraction, the bottom number goes in your head and you count to the top number. But when I add, I put the top number in my head and add on the lower number. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Put 6 in my head and add 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so watch. The top is, oh, here's some more subtraction. So watch if it's subtraction or addition, adding or subtracting. Okay, you know how to do this. Fact families. Remember when we do a fact family? Here's your numbers. When I add, the big number goes in the back. When I subtract, the big number goes first. So if you want to go through and mark your paper where the big number and the little number, okay, so my big numbers go on the orange line, so I can go through and say, okay, 10's my large number. He's the largest. He has to go here. 10, 10, 10, 10. Then I'm going to take the 6 and 4 and just move them around. Okay, this page is graphing. So we're going to use the graph to answer the questions. So I see cows, 20. Pigs, I go up and across, 30. Chicks, all the way to the top and back is 40. And horses, up to this line and across is also 20. How many pigs did the class see? So you're going to look at the chart, read the sentences, and answer the questions. Okay, missing add-ins. So I'm going to put 5 in my head and count to 16, and that tells me what number is missing. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I need one more. 16. That's 10 and 1 is 11. We're getting to bigger numbers. Put 9 in your head and count to 14 to see what the missing add-in is. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5. Hat, neck, and a big fat belly. Okay, so you're going to go through. You can draw the arrows if you need to. Okay, the last page. We're going to be doing long O says O and short O says ah. If it's long O, you're going to color them yellow. And if it's short O, you're going to color them brown. Okay, so this is a cone. O, 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 O. That is long O. So I'm going to color my cone yellow. Okay, we have cob, toast, dog, top, toe, bow, pot, below, log, pop, and bone. And that's it. That's your packet for this week. If you have any questions, you can always ask Mrs. Hoskins and Mrs. Bess on Remind, and I'll see you again soon.